Hi, this is Mike from Sophia Institute for Teachers. In this video, you'll continue to learn about the Spirit of Truth session plans. This video is part of a series to help you get the most out of your new textbooks. Please take a few minutes to watch them all. Every session plan in Spirit of Truth gives you a suggested warm-up exercise, followed by several 10 to 20-minute activities that you can choose from. Let's take a look at each of those parts in more detail. The warm-ups are meant to hook students' interest and get them intrigued and engaged. Warm-ups also send the message that what is about to happen in faith formation class is special and set apart from other classroom experiences. Warm-ups often begin with an activity that draws from your students' experiences. This helps you meet students where they are and invite them to first reflect on their own knowledge and experience before drawing out new learning. Warm-ups include sacred art reflections, popular culture references, opening prayers and meditations, games, daily life examples, and whole group and small group sharing. Nearly every session begins with something different. The activities are the main part of the lesson where your students most directly engage with the content they're learning. Activities include reading and analysis, arts and crafts, group work, and role plays. Each activity will take between 10 and 20 minutes. You don't have to do them all. Here you can see how this activity gives you specific content to teach your students. All instances of this kind of direct instruction in Spirit of Truth are highlighted so you can recognize them easily. You can follow the mini lectures exactly as they're written, or you can use them as background information to put into your own words. Not only does the Catechist Guide provide you with direct instruction, but it also gives you all of the direction you need to present an interactive activity. You'll find suggested questions to help you get the ball rolling on an engaging class discussion. Anytime there is group work, we give you the suggested group size and any needed directions. Any arts and crafts activities have detailed instructions and diagrams. Throughout the series, you will see opportunities to share your faith with your students. We highly encourage taking this opportunity to share your personal witness of faith. Your witness can be one of the most powerful ways to lead students to Christ. Often, activities will have students complete a worksheet from the student workbook. At the end of each session in the Catechist Guide, you'll find all of the student workbook pages reproduced for easy access, along with an answer key. Remember that Spirit of Truth is meant to be adaptable. Each session is broken up into these parts to make it easy for you to use the ones that will work best in your classroom. Always think quality, not quantity. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the next video, which will focus on the student workbooks.